Look at this at the train tracks. This is a train switch, hydraulically operated. The tracks are completely covered under 18 inches of snow, but these are actually heated. And actually, look how hot this is. It goes tss. It's so hot and it like steams. Even the track, everything here is heated. Whole thing is heated up. Never knew that. The thing that's heated is, you see there's like that big brown plate in there. Nice. Yeah, it's warm. Just gotta make sure where you walk in here. You can hear it going tss as the snow hits it. See that? Look at that steam. Look at that steaming. See that? Just melts.